We just got this interactive dog toy. It's called Wickedbone and it's by Cheerable. And we haven't tried it with our dog yet, but I'm really excited. So you download the app and you actually can have it as you're the one controlling it. It's called drive mode, and you have all of these different options where you can make it turn and spin. It can like even jump. It does all of these kinds of things. Or you can put it in the interactive mode and you can put like a timer for how long you want it to run for, and then it just interacts with your dog, so it just kind of feeds off whatever your dog is doing. So again, I haven't tried it yet. I'm not sure. I mean, he loves anything that rolls and spins, so we're just gonna kind of, let's see. I'm just pushing the turnaround button. What's that doing, Walter? What about this? Oh, he went down on the floor. Let's see what he's doing down there with it. All right. Oh. Okay. He's just running off with it. I'm trying to make it spin. There's like a quick spin, but he keeps grabbing it. He's not sure. It's really funny. Let's try and I'm trying to do a backflip, but he's got his mouth on. Look at his paw. Looks like a little soccer player there. Look, front flip. You can't really see all the cool things it can do because he's got his paw on it. He won't let it go. This is so awesome. Oh my goodness, this is going to keep him busy for hours. Okay, I just had to put him inside for a second because he was going insane. He loves it so much. I just want to show you some of the cool things it can do. So again, this is on the drive mode, so I'm controlling it. So let's go ahead and hit that backflip button. So it's just flipping around. You have a quick spin, so that's going like that. You can shake it. What is that shake one doing? Yeah, and then a front flip. Oh, does a little. And then the nod head. Oh, I guess that's just kind of like a roll. And then there is a quick jump. Woo! It's really cool. My dog is barking inside. He's going absolutely nuts. Clearly, I'm not a very good driver because there is a little like wheel on here that can show you to bring it forward and backwards. And I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know who's going to have more fun, me or my dog.